Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Luke Davis and I'm from Agape Media. I'm your instructor for tonight. This is Agape Media's graphics design class. Now, those ones who are seeing this for the first time, please don't get scared, okay? Let me just go ahead and locate for you where it could be. Now, if you open on your PC, when you click on Windows, for those ones who might not be knowing, you check in the under the apps. Of course, you will be able to locate Adobe Illustrator CS6. That is what we are using currently personally. So I believe it's the same thing that I gave you, so I believe it's also what you installed. So let us go ahead and open it now. This is how Adobe Illustrator looks like. So remember I said in the notes that Illustrator, we use it for what we call vector graphics. I explained the difference between vector graphics and pixel graphics. I explained it clearly in the notes, so we shall not be talking about that. So if I tell you here and you have not gone through the notes, means you have some extra work to do. After this introduction, you go back and revise your notes so that you can also catch up together with us. So without wasting time, let us continue. A little bit of what you can do with graphics. Actually, let me just excite you a little bit. With graphics, you can make a lot of money. Yeah, you can make a lot of money. And what is beautiful about graphics design is that you actually don't need a lot of time. Okay, you don't need a lot of time to do it. You can be at your workplace and you'll be making money. So let me show you something very simple. Now you see this is a simple poster for my client DJ Caleb. So DJ Caleb told me to make for him this poster. And you know what? Designing a poster like this one takes between 10 to 30 minutes. Only 10 to 30 minutes. And you get paid. Now, designing a poster like this one, just a mere designing soft copy, it costs about 20,000 Ugandan shillings. That is from Kampala. I don't know where you're at, wherever you're at. Maybe at a place, certain places it can even be more or maybe less. But still, I know it is not that small. So imagine you're getting paid 20,000 for doing something for 20 or 30 minutes. It's something you can do when you're at your workplace, okay? So that is how beautiful it is, graphics design. So in this class, we shall be learning a lifelong skill that will help us to make more and more money. Anyway, a little bit of excitement. So let us go ahead. Welcome. For those ones who have not been following the notes, please, just you have an extra work to do. After this, go back, revise your notes because we shall need the skills or the theory from the notes. Now, I believe if you have gone through the notes, you already know all this. Okay? You already know all this. And the reason why I'm doing this short video is I just want you to see how beautiful it is, how interesting it is. Because in our next class, that is on Sunday. Okay? Same time at 8 p.m. we shall now start straight away working. This is Adobe Illustrator, very simple interface. So I'm just requesting go back and revise your notes because I don't want to waste your time, explaining these ones one by one by one. I can do it like files. I can explain what happens in under object, under type, select, effects, what I can do all that. I can explain all this, okay? I can explain it, but that would be a waste of time. So why should we waste time like that? So tonight we're just introducing our classes as we have just communicated from our WhatsApp group onto the way the class will run. Please make sure you go back, revise your notes, and when we return on Sunday, we shall dive into our first design. We shall be doing something tangible. We shall design something together in our next class. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Adobe Illustrator, and let us end here for tonight. We were just trying to excite ourselves about the things that we shall be doing. So let us meet in our next class on Sunday. It will be a beautiful experience and we shall be doing several things. We shall design so many things. Now this one, you can see this one, I'm done with it and I get paid. Okay, you can also design something like that and get paid within a very small time. We can also use the same thing, Adobe Illustrator, to design something like this. Okay, we have seen all these quotes and memes and what we can create them using Adobe Illustrator. We can also design things like, okay, I think this is the same thing. Now we can design logos like this. This is a logo. Okay, we can design a logo like this one using Adobe Illustrator. So we shall be learning all that, and we shall also be learning how to make posters, of course, posters and flyers like such using Adobe Illustrator. We shall learn how to make calendars like this one using Adobe Illustrator. We shall learn several things. We shall learn how to make stickers like this. This was a car sticker. We can make stickers using Adobe Illustrator. and we shall also learn now what it says. I mean, we're learning a lot of things, so I just want you to know that there are so many things we shall be learning. Now all those things I've been showing you, they're all under vector graphics. Now we shall also reach or tackle some part of pixel graphics, where we shall try to redo exactly what we have been doing, or what we shall be doing here. We shall try to do it using Photoshop. Okay, so don't be scared, don't be worried. It's going to be a very nice experience that I believe by the end of it you will enjoy. Now you've seen certificates like this. Now making a certificate like this, come on, it's really very simple. So by the end of this class you will be an expert, and my initial plan was to make sure we study vector graphics in 2 weeks, then the other 2 weeks we do pixel. So by the end of 2 weeks you will be able to design a certificate like this, or design a poster, or design a business card, a brochure, or whatever it is. You will be a senior. So I can promise you this class is going to be very interesting, so make sure you do not miss. Just keep locked, and if you have your friends whom you would wish them to attend this class, make sure you tell them so that they also hurry up before we go too far. This is Agape Media and my name is Luke Davis. Let's meet in our next class.